When your work bleeds into the night, there is a drink that will give you another hit of caffeine to keep you pushing through those extra miles. It's your solution to the dilemma, what to drink when you don't want to drink. I present to you the Cafe Old Fashioned. To make this cocktail, you will need cold brew concentrate, a bourbon barrel aged maple syrup, aromatic bitters, orange bitters, an orange peel, and ice. I'll first start out by carving out a piece of ice. If you're just taking it out of the freezer, you'll need the ice to warm up a bit to prevent it from cracking when you add the liquids. Start by adding 2 ounces of cold brew concentrate. Then add half an ounce of the barrel-aged maple syrup. Next, 2 dashes of aromatic bitters, followed by 1 dash of orange bitters. Add copious amounts of ice into your mixing glass. Then stir until chilled. Strain into your rocks glass. Then gently add your clear ice rock. Slice a peel from an orange. Trim it and make it look nice for extra points. Do it because you care and you want to go the extra mile. We're decent human beings here after all. Express the oils of the peel into the glass to add aroma. Then gently coat the rim of the glass. Twist and then garnish. And there you have it. For your drinking pleasure, a Cafe Old Fashioned. And unlike alcoholic beverages, drink at will.